Now Franco on his left foot, knocks this one into the area. It'll come down in front. Bowen lays it down. Villarreal shot. And it's blocked through the wall, and it's saved by Diop. Franco, he'll get the early cross in. Deflected. Lassiter lets it go. McBean back to goal on his left foot. Fires. Saved by Miranda. Plays in. Looking for Robney. He scores. Good work here by Lassiter. Nice job by Lassiter. Take it in towards goal on his left-footed ball to the near post, and it's out of play. Covarrubias knocks ahead. Lassiter is there on his left foot, tries to chip the keeper, and it's out of play. A good ball here to the right side. Lassiter onside. He'll put it back onto his left foot. Lassiter towards goal on the near post. That's an easy one for the keeper, Miranda. Trying to go backside of the six. The header over the bar. McBean top of the six. Here's the corner. Right towards the middle of the six and knocked away by Miranda. Here's McBean. This looks good for the Galaxy. Jack taken to goal. Draws three defenders. Still on it. McBean will take it all the way to the right side, then knock it through, deflected, and it's out of play. Covarrubias. Nice move here. It'll come to Bowen off of McBean. The shot towards goal, right on the goalkeeper. Back to Cretinen. Playing through into the Galaxy penalty area. This looks dangerous. Nice job by Diop. It's a good build-up here for the Blues. Santana from distance and out of play. Goal kick. It'll come from the right side. Played short. The redirect. Redirect is saved by Diop. Nice job by Diop. Here come the Galaxy now. Covarrubias from distance. And on the bounce, it's blocked. Here's Aris again. This will bend in towards goal. Knocked towards the net and finds the back of the net. It is 2-0. Another ball into the area. Watch out! And they pulled one back. No, they have not. Offside. Trying to knock this one forward here. This looks good for Cortez. Diop does a good job getting to the ball first. He's going to have to play it with his feet, though, and then he's fouled from the near side. Lassiter knocks it off for Bailey. Bailey on his left foot. Can he get the shot away? It's still loose at the 6. And finally smothered by the goalkeeper. Left side, Illich. A one-time cross into the area, boxed away by the keeper Diop. Another ball into the box, and he brings it down. Back to Mendiola. Lassiter now may have that goal, and he got it. 3-0 in favor of LA Galaxy 2.